In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a Chatflow in HubSpot. Cloning a Chatflow is a great way to save time when you want to reuse a proven setup for a new page, audience, or campaign without rebuilding it from scratch. We'll move carefully through the process so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start by opening your browser and going to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account. If you have access to more than one HubSpot portal, make sure you're in the right one before you continue, and confirm you have the permissions to manage Chatflows. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. Hover your mouse so the labels expand, then locate the section labeled Service. From there, select Chatflows. If your sidebar is collapsed, a quick hover should reveal the menu. After clicking Chatflows, you'll land on the Chatflows dashboard where all existing bots and live chat configurations are listed. Find the Chatflow you want to duplicate in the list. Move your mouse over that specific row to reveal additional options. You'll see a menu labeled More. Click More to open the context actions for that Chatflow. This menu is where HubSpot groups quick utilities so you don't need to open the entire editor just to copy something. From the More menu, choose Clone. HubSpot will open a dialog asking you to name the new Chatflow. Enter a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. A helpful convention is to include details like the page or channel, the campaign or goal, and the date or environment, for example, pricing page, lead qualifier, EN. Consistent naming reduces confusion when your team manages many Chatflows. After you've entered the name, click Clone to confirm. HubSpot will create a copy of the original Chatflow, including its structure and steps, so you can adapt it without affecting the original. The clone will appear in your Chatflows list, typically as a draft until you decide to enable it. At this point, it's a good idea to review the cloned Chatflows targeting rules, welcome message, and any handoff or team assignment settings to make sure everything aligns with your new use case. You can update those details right within the Chatflow editor whenever you're ready. That's it. You searched for HubSpot, signed in, navigated to service, opened Chatflows, used the More menu on your chosen Chatflow, selected Clone, named the copy, and confirmed. You now have a duplicated Chatflow ready for fine-tuning and launch.